Hi, we're downtown today and we are with Erin.
Hi, I'm Erin with Wild Kids Northeast Indiana, and we're going to show you around downtown, just a few ideas to do with kids.
Welcome to VO's Travel. Where to go and what to see. With kids.
We're headed downtown Fort Wayne today with 5 crazy kids, and we're excited to show you all the things you can do. First on our list is Promenade Park. It's a brand new park downtown Fort Wayne on the river.
What are we going to do today?
Playground. Fire ball. Ping pong. Corn in the hole. Fire fuck.
Let's go, guys!
There is so much to do at Promenade Park. Like the kids said, they have ping pong, foosball, cornhole. You can rent boats and go down the river. You can rent kayaks and take a little stroll. There's a place where kids can splash around in the water when it's warmer. And if you head over this bridge, it will take you to a little skywalk that will eventually lead to the playground. It was under construction today when we went to visit, but there are just great views from all around. It's such a family-friendly place to go. You really need to check out this park when you're downtown. The downtown library is a great place to spend an afternoon. There is free parking underneath the building. Just make sure to validate your ticket. Their children's area is humongous and has special places for kids of all ages. This reading pod is for kids age 7 and up. There's a great fish tank that the kids love to look at. And this little play area right here is for kids ages 6 and under. This room right here has a dress-up area, an art table, and even a special area for kids that can't walk yet. And make sure to check their schedule because in the summer they host free concerts on this patio. A great place to stop for lunch is Cindy's Diner. It's a great little place that only seats 15, but you have to go.
Going to Cindy's Diner.
Where?
Cindy's Diner.
Woohoo! Let's go.
Come look.
They cook right in front of you, so it's a great thing to keep kids distracted while they're waiting for their food. They have amazing cheeseburgers and their milkshakes are the best. Their prices are great. Hamburgers are $4 and milkshakes are $3.50. And they also have a great breakfast that runs between $6 and $7. If Coney dogs are more your style, you need to stop at Coney Island. Fort Wayne is famous for Coney Island. You can dine in or carry out. Their prices are great. And it's fun watching them throw the chili on each of the dogs. They are pros at what they do. You can always go in and out through their back door, which is always fun and a little tight-fitting, but it's really cool to see how they cook all of the food. Who knew there was a restaurant with a view in downtown Fort Wayne?
Here to check out NOLA on 13th. Let's go up, up, up.
Head to the tallest skyscraper and go to the 13th floor. NOLA on 13 is open 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., has amazing Cajun food, and even better than that, has a spectacular view. For 2 to 3 hours of indoor play and science experiments, head just north of downtown to Science Central. They have a special area set up just for toddlers and little kids so they're not getting run over by all those crazy big kids. There are 3 full floors of things to do. Admission is $10 per person for 3 and above, and it's free for ages 2 and under. Number 7 on our list is the Botanical Gardens.
Let's go to the Botanical Gardens.
The Botanical Gardens consists of 3 separate rooms, including a tropical rainforest and a desert. The cost to get in is $5 for adults and $3 for kids ages 3 to 17. Next, head down to Calhoun Street. There are 2 restaurants right next to each other. Pint and Slice is a great pizza place for kids of all ages, and Dash In is for 21 and older. Across the street is Fortezza Coffee. It's definitely one of the best coffee shops in town. To finish up our little downtown tour today, make sure you walk through a bunch of the alleys around downtown. There are lots of murals to see and great photo opportunities. Thank you so much for coming along with us today. We hope you enjoyed our little tour of downtown Fort Wayne and have given you some ideas of things that you can do with your kids when you come downtown. Make sure you follow Erin at Wild Kids Northeast Indiana on Facebook. I will give the link below. I would also love your support by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And as always, please remember to choose joy and take all of the pictures.